Seeing the message unavailable error on Instagram, follow these steps to fix it. Let's start with quick fixes. First, close and reopen the Instagram app. This might fix your issue. Next, log out and log in back. For that, launch your Instagram, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right, scroll all the way down, click on the option log out, click on log out again and confirm it. Now provide your Instagram account's credentials and log into your account. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Next up, check the status of the person. Make sure you are not blocked by the other person. Likewise, their account has not been disabled or deleted. Next, check for the updates. For that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, what you can do is report to the Instagram support team. For that, navigate to Settings and Activity, scroll down, click on the option Help, then click on the option Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem Without Shaking, click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here explain about the issue and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for message unavailable on Instagram. Guide helped you out. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.